For students who are interested in learning about our nation's justice system, SAISD's Criminal Justice Program offers an exciting and challenging opportunity to receive training for a career in law enforcement.
Junior year, we start out with basics. The first class you'll take the first semester of your junior year is called Introduction to Criminal Justice. It's a broad overview of the justice system, the police, the courts, and the correctional system. The second semester of your junior year, you take Fundamentals of Criminal Law, where we focus a lot on Texas law and constitutional law. As a senior, we hope to move the level of difficulty up a good bit, and it's a little bit more interesting, I think. The students really enjoy. We have criminal investigations for the first semester of the senior year. The second semester of the senior year, a lot of the students look forward to, because 6 weeks of that semester you get to go out into the field and you don't come to class. You go into the workforce and you either ride with the city marshals in a police car making arrests, or you work in the jail assisting the jailers and learning how the jail system works. And that's something that I think the students really gather a lot from.
The hands-on learning environment provided by the Criminal Justice course gives students a unique opportunity to learn a variety of law enforcement skills.
Some of the neat things that we learn about something kind of academic is the students always really enjoy handwriting analysis. It's a little bit easier to learn than most people think. It's very useful in your daily life, and that's really a crowd pleaser. Some of the hands-on things that we do is we teach building search, felony traffic stop. We do a crime scene investigation. We have all those we take to competition, and the last 2 years our crime scene investigation team has won district and gone on to state. Our building search team this year was the first year we did that competition, and we won district in that and went on to state. We teach kids how to do the proper handcuffing, safety procedures, patrol procedures, use of force situations where we have videos that the student has to actually react to a scenario that they're presented with in an appropriate manner. They're very difficult scenarios, so it really is a lot of fun for the students to sometimes succeed and sometimes fail and learn how to do better.
Students who are interested in a career in law enforcement will greatly benefit from the skills learned in this class.
I think that what this class offers our students the most is a way to familiarize themselves with the field and prepare them emotionally and intellectually for the challenges of this field. This field is different than most other career fields because of the stresses involved in it, and because of the level of risk and the level of importance that we have in any system that can remove someone's life, liberty, or property, which the criminal justice system can do. And so I think it's very important that students prepare themselves emotionally and intellectually for those challenges. Up to this year, this has been a way for a student to familiarize himself with the field. There has not been a certification offered. It was just a way that a student can understand what it is that they're looking for, so they can decide this is either for me or this is not something that I'm interested in, but it was an interesting class. It's not a job that I want to have. Next year, we're trying to implement a certification program in conjunction with the Texas Department of Criminal Justice, where about 1/3 of the jailer academy to work for the state of Texas as a guard in a prison will be accomplished in the classroom. And so they'll give you a head start. The Texas Department of Criminal Justice is hoping to be able to implement that and give an abbreviated academy to anyone who took our classes.
The lessons learned in criminal justice can also be beneficial to all students, whether they plan to enter the career field or not.
This course also is offered as a civics class. So if you're not necessarily looking at this class as a step into the workforce, it's also a good civics lesson, because the criminal justice system impacts the citizenry at the level where government generally does not. Citizens touch the criminal justice system more often than they do every other level of government. It's very, very rare that you go to the Supreme Court as a citizen, or it's very rare that you actually have to testify in front of Congress. But it's not rare at all that you're a member on a jury, that you contact the justice system as a suspect or as a victim or as a complainant. And this is a good class to show students how they can interact with the justice system in a way that's beneficial to them.
This unique 2-year program is offered to all high school juniors and seniors.
You have to take the junior class, the first year class, as a prerequisite for the senior class. In order to get into the junior class, it's a simple one-page application process that you turn into the counselors. I won't see those applications, so those applications are basically the prerequisite to be accepted into the class. As a junior moving into the senior class, you turn in an application, the same one-page application, into me, and I give teacher approval to move on to the senior level course.
If you have any questions about the SAISD Criminal Justice Program, please contact the Central or Lakeview High School Counseling Center for more information.